Hey guys, Patrick here. Today I want to show you this electric cocktail smoker kit that was sent to me by the brand. We're going to open it up, check it out, and then we are going to use it. This is a really nice package. So let's open it up, check it out. We have a magnetic lid. That's really cool. Open it up, we got a little message to the connoisseur of amber spirits. Pretty cool. Inside, we're going to have our user manual. We're going to have the unit itself. We're going to have our charging cable, USB to USB-C, a little cleaning brush, and a little scoop for our wood chips. And we have several different wood chips: apple, oak, walnut, peach, cherry, and pear. So let's get this unit opened up, see what it looks like, see how it works, and we'll put it to the test. We've got our little peel here. Ooh, satisfying. This is going to be the actual unit. We've got a lock and unlock button here. Go to unlock, and that's going to be the spot we can put our chips in. Ooh, that's really cool. Oh, okay. So we got juice. All right, let's check it out. Got a delicious beverage of sorts here. Let's check out the cherry. Check that out. That looks nice. It smells good. Let's pop that in, and this is where you'll charge it as well. So this came charged, which is nice, but that's where you'll put in the USB-C charging port. Take that out. Put that in. Hey guys, I will say the manual does say to fully charge this up before you use it the first time. So if this doesn't work, I will charge it up fully, and then we'll shoot this again. So we got our wood chips in there, and that little spoon came in handy. So let's take that, we'll put this back on, put it in our lock position, get this on here. Oh my gosh, look how fast that is. It's already starting to smoke. That's so cool. It says you can press it to stop it as well. That is crazy how fast that worked. That's so cool. So it runs for, I think it was 21 or 22 seconds is like the full runtime for one cycle, and then you can press it again to stop it. Man, that is cool. That worked crazy fast. All right, let's give it a little sniff. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it smells good. Wow. It's crazy. It's pretty cool. I would say this is definitely worth checking out. That worked incredibly fast, way quicker and better than I was anticipating. I've got several different smoker kits, some electric like this, and some where you have to actually use a flame. That is really stinking cool. I would highly, highly recommend checking this out. Look how quick it works. That's crazy. All right, definitely worth checking this one out. Also, before I forget, guys, that little cleaning brush it comes with, that's going to allow you, that's what it looks like after you take it off. And that cleaning brush will allow you, once you dump these out, you can then take that little brush and clean it out as well. So that's a really nice little feature that it comes with that. I'm going to dump that out into the trash or sink, let it, make sure that it's not hot, and then come through, and if you need to, you can use this little metal wire brush, clean it out. Very cool.